Hi everyone, Elrigu Namaskara, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I hope you are safe and sound amidst this COVID-19 crisis. I've been thinking from last few days to put across all my feelings with respect to the entire teaching fraternity because I have been strongly associated with youths in general and in students in particular for almost a decade. I have been watching this unexpected tectonic shift in the way teachers are teaching and in the way students are learning. And all thanks to COVID-19. That's why it's rightly said, necessary is the mother of invention. And that's how everything quickly moved online today. Firstly, I stand in solidarity with all the students out there who missed their final examination and even classes. It is truly disheartening not to write an examination after preparing so much. It's like training hard to play a football tournament and then you find out that the tournament was called off. And that is really devastating. I salute to all of you for staying strong. And I remember before lockdown, I had given inspirational talks in around 25 schools of Bangalore for 9th and 10th standard students. And during that, I had extensive interaction with students, teachers, and even parents community. Now, I got multiple insights and understood various scenarios with respect to education sector, observing from a neutral perspective. During these 2 months of lockdown, I noticed that the majority of teachers, for the first time in their life, let me tell you, first time in their life, to get online by choice or by compulsion from the management, and mostly due to the latter reason. And they have been teaching students live in the classrooms, but for the very first time, they had to go digital, facing a camera through their phone or laptop via various meeting platforms. Yes, this transition was too hard considering the fact that teachers are accustomed to classroom teaching. And considering most of them are elderly, I think they are not used to technological advances that we need to give the benefit of doubt. Regardless of this new innovation, they somehow started teaching online, even though it was uncomfortable. But before they could adopt to the online platform, unfortunately, students started exhibiting their mischievous behavior. I know it is common at this age, I respect that, but they went on to mock and create nuisance, which demoralized many teachers while conducting the classes. To the already existing challenge, one more new challenge popped up. And you know what? Parents started sitting next to their children to evaluate teachers at every step. Now, obviously, this made all the teachers become more conscious and they ended up on their back foot. Now, I'm telling you, they could not be at their natural best. Trust me, memes and trolls started, in fact, they started coming and they started insulting, accusing and, mocking them. I had a conversation with many teachers and you will not believe many were disheartened and they exited even before they could adopt to this new platform. So, my message to all my students over there. First, let's understand that our teachers are also, they're humans. They also have families. In spite of the lockdown and that too during the summer holidays, if instead of thinking about their families, they're reaching out to online platforms to do their bit for their students, then I think we should respect that. Yes, I agree that when it comes to the usage of technology, the student community is far advanced. But it is equally to understand that we are born during IT revolution unlike our teachers and parents. The elder generation was born during radios. So if you see, they have made pretty good progress, considerable progress from radio to touch screen on the present phones which we use. And they are adopting to technology whereas we have grown with it, guys. Today I see parents taking suggestion even in using WhatsApp features. And that doesn't give us the damn right to show arrogance towards their weaknesses. So with folded hands, I request all the young students out there to encourage your teachers and help them with utmost humility to make sure that, they use the online platform so that they are not subjected to humiliation. And moreover, teachers choose profession out of passion, my dear friends, not just for money. And they wanted to bring that change in the students. And that's why it is rightly said, there's a great lines in Kannada, Hari Munidare, Guru Kayonu. It means if God is also angry on you, it's your teacher who protects you. So let's respect to that. And my message to parents out there, I know many parents have been disappointed with the quality of teachings through online platforms. I understand, can totally understand. In fact, I understand your pain during these turbulent times of uncertainty. But there are two things which we must also understand. That firstly, the majority of teachers are not used to these platforms. And secondly, it's poles apart from when it comes to teaching in class and teaching on camera, and that too in parents' presence. Come on, let's not judge them quickly. They too are dealing with a lot of stress due to uncertainty. And judging them would be like judging Virat Kohli playing online cricket game. Today's kids can beat him in that. But we know he's the best in the field. So with little patience and trust in teachers community, I'm very sure they will upgrade themselves and live up to your expectations. Let's give that little bit benefit of doubt and little bit of space for every parents, teachers to adopt this new scenario. And my final message to teachers: teachers teaching is one of the noblest profession which has the highest regards since ages, I'm telling you. And history has witnessed even the greatest rulers have bowed in front of teachers. And I know it's been a testing time for all of you, and the majority of you are trying your best to make a quick shift to altogether an unexplored territory like called online. Please be little patient and be strong in this transition phase. And in fact, I'm pretty confident the teaching community is going to make a massive progress when it comes to merging traditional teaching with technology. So we all stand with you in these challenging times. No need to lose hope. I know it's not a teacher's day, but I nominate all the students, parents, and anyone who has seen my message to come out in support of the teachers community and show that we still carry the respect for our gurus, and we're really grateful for all their teachings. And I urge you to share this message and create your own messages and videos in support of the hashtag I stand with teachers. Let's fight this online hatred through online love. And trust me, let us all grow victorious post to this pandemic. My best wishes to all the students out there. Let's little bit give that space to teachers so that they quickly adapt to technology. And parents, little bit patience and faith. Let's not lose hope on this teaching fraternity, because we believe Guru is even above God. This is Vinay Patil signing off. Jai Hind.